Hey everybody, today I'm just doing a quick video on tips and tricks for keeping your kitchen clean, safe, and in good condition. This is just a quick tutorial on how to take care of a bamboo cutting board. So you want to take a good olive oil. I prefer to use an olive oil myself. It seems to do a much better job overall. You always want to make sure whatever finish you're going with is something you can in and of itself be something that can be eaten. So olive oil is always a good healthy choice. So apply some oil to a towel. It can be terry or paper. Alright, and then you want to start by scrubbing it in. Alright, and you want to keep applying the oil to the towel as it seems to dry out, and thoroughly treat the wood, or in this case the bamboo. This works for any wood-like substance that you're going to be eating or preparing food, eating off of or preparing food on. Now that's half done. The sides are usually pretty easy because I don't use it, but you want to keep it sealed so that moisture stays in, so it doesn't split. Going with the grain helps massage the oils into the plant fibers, which helps preserve them longer. Okay. Just one last coat in here. Then prop it up. And as you can see, that's going to keep that cutting board in good health for a long time.